do you guys think? Should I upgrade the M3 with that material? With a little AstroTurf on the back of my car? It's kind of creative, I guess. What's up YouTube? It is currently Friday morning and I just uploaded a vlog from getting my windows tinted, which was actually about a week ago from today. Getting caught up on vlogs now, but as you can see I have my M3 behind me and we are here in, okay, don't laugh at me, is this Placentia or Placenta? Because isn't there like some baby thing going on with that name? I have no idea, but we're here today at a very special company that reached out to me a while ago. I've been a fan of them for the last like 10 to 15 years. I've seen their product on a lot of stuff, so you're in for a surprise today. It's probably something you didn't expect, but she's getting a little upgrade today. Just tried to open up that front door. I guess that wasn't it, so I'm gonna go around the back. This is, I don't think that this is their main distribution center. I think this may just be for the West Coast. So if you haven't noticed by now, this is DPE wheels.
These 120,
okay.
This 72.56.
Is that all around?
No, these are the rears.
Okay.
Fronts are 20 by 9.5, ET 22. YouTuber, they're better than cast, but has the same stability as forged.
I had white RPF 1s on it, but the only thing is that I had brake dust every 2 minutes.
Oh.
Like my wheels got so dirty. Awesome.
Thank you.
Man, appreciate it.
No problem.
Have a nice day. Thanks. Okay, so as you guys just saw, I picked up a set of DPE wheels. DPE has been around since '03, super OG company, been a fan for a long time. I'm going straight to the tire shop to install them right now. Where else am I going besides Zuby's? Only place to go. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't have any rear view vision. It's okay though. I don't mind that distraction. So we are here at Zuby's and they are a company of mine. A good friend Harry, we've been doing work back and forth. He has a really cool car. He's done a lot of car stuff in general. We connected through social media and he's had a shop here for a while and I figured I'd keep coming here. You know, there's a good relationship between myself and the company here and they are about 20 minutes from my house, but I'd rather have better customer experience than just go somewhere and like pay to have it done because the people here are really cool. They know what they're doing, been around for a while, so. So one of the things that I wanted to do was obviously talk more about the wheels that I chose. When DPE reached out to me, we were talking about kind of what we wanted to do, and currently I run 20-inch wheels on my car, which most M3 owners do 18 or 19s. When I bought my car, it came with 20-inch Forge Stars, 9.5 in the front, 10.5 in the rear. These wheels that I have are the same spec, so what we're doing now is just swapping out the Michelins that are on the Forge Stars onto the DPE wheels. So I'm excited to see how they look. It's the same fitment. I shouldn't have any issues with rubbing. Yeah, should look good. And I do have the motorsport hardware on the lugs, which I'm really happy about. And if you guys saw, I'll show you right now their product, which I might switch out to black ones, but I do like this color. And then the extended right there. So regardless, the car's coming together. I'm really stoked on it. There's a lot more that I'm gonna do, but for now, having new wheels, having the lug nuts, having the studs, having all this stuff done, it just does little things that add up. I was watching a TJ Hunt video yesterday, and he just did like headlights on his BRZ, and it's a little thing, but to me, it's like a huge thing because it's another thing you're doing to your car, which is overall, you're building something you love, which this is my dream car. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these or not. You can see here, obviously I painted them myself, but I'm considering getting rid of them. I don't think I have much need for them since I do have the new wheels right here, but you know, if you guys want to, maybe send me an email. I'll sell them for the right price, but I mean, they're good wheels, they look good, they're a rare fitment, you know, let me know. So you can see here, these are the front wheels. They are 20 by 9.5. These are 20 by 10.5. I believe, I'm pretty sure. I think they're 10s or 10.5. These are 10s and 10.5, so. I'm currently under my car right now. I'm looking at my IP exhaust, it's so sick. They changed colors from when I got it. So I want to apologize to everyone on the forums and in my videos because I just realized that these wheels are 20 by 11 in the rear. 20 by 11, look at that. You guys see this right here? 20 by 11. Damn, these new ones are 20 by 10.5, but I had no idea they were that huge. Shit. So with these kind of things, I don't typically pick out the wheel or the product or the color. This time I was able to pick out the color. It was matte black originally. I went with gloss black. So shout out to their powder coater. I'll put their info right here. But thank you so much for not only doing this with me from DPE, but also painting the wheels gloss black, which I personally think I like way more. It just gives it more of like a sleek look. Plus it'll kind of match the dark glossy tint on the car that I just had done a few days ago. This is like the most nerve-wracking moment when the car goes down and you just see how the fitment is. Let's see that sink in there. Don't mind the bumper. That's pretty sick. Still got some good concavity. Customer service at its finest. Oh yeah. I wasn't sure at first, but dang. Look at that. Wow, I'm actually a big fan. At first I wasn't sure because I miss having, well, I liked having the multi-spoke super deep concave, but look at this thing. What? DPE, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Too, man. I'll catch you around.
Anything else?